In his troublesome life, Mary Jane Watson has stayed by Peter's side through most of his difficult times, dealing with criminals, even fighting with supervillains like Doc Ock, Mysterio, Venom and many more. She even sacrificed her marriage to save Peter's aunt. But the recent years are not suitable for the couple. Peter and MJ broke up and there is another man, the Demon Paul, in MJ's life. While many fans want MJ to return into Peter's life, the others believe that Peter should step away from MJ and continue his ongoing romance with Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat. Like MJ, Felicia also understands Peter and helps him recover from the breakup. So she advises Peter to take some break and convinces him to spend the weekend together, a ski lodge and a spa in the upstate. No crowd, only high-class people. So Peter agrees. He goes to Aunt May's apartment and tells an excuse about a science trip from his office. But Aunt May knows everything and she advises Peter not to forget to wear a raincoat. Peter is so much happy. For the first time in a long time, his life is finally getting better. But the Parker luck struck again, as in that trip, Peter and Felicia meet with MJ and Paul. They are also here to spend the weekend. Peter tries to convince MJ that it was coincidence, but MJ is not buying that. She also feels jealous that Peter is now with Kat. The situation turns bad, so Peter tells them again it was a coincidence. He is sorry that it happened. If they want them to leave, then they will go. No hard feelings. But while he is talking, Peter accidentally reveals his boxer underwear, which says, "Here kitty kitty," which ultimately convinces MJ that he is telling the truth. But while they are laughing, a huge noise grabs their attention, so Peter takes Felicia with him, leaving MJ and Paul behind, and they rush after the target, and soon they are confronted by the Silicon 5 and Mysterio. So after dealing with the criminals, Peter and Felicia finally get some break, but Peter seems sad. He tells her he still loves MJ, he always has, part of him always will, but now he thinks that love has changed. MJ was a part of his life for a long time, but now she is more like a sister, maybe a best friend. He doesn't know how to deal with this. And then Felicia kisses Peter, assures him that whatever he is dealing with, she will always stay by his side. Peter gets relieved and thanks Felicia for everything. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.